We're going to the farm. We're going on an egg hunt, ladies and gentlemen. Ring the bell for fresh eggs.
Bloody hell, that's loud. Eggs, mate.
Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
So we were driving in the car, found a farm, it said fresh eggs, saw the sign, thought, yeah, let's do this. I love eggs, rang the bell.
Bloody hell, that's loud.
Waited for the man.
Hey, sorry, I didn't realise it was that loud. Forgot me bloody boxes.
Now this geezer is an absolute legend. I don't even know his name, I'm just calling him Eggman.
What are you after then, bloke?
6 eggs, please.
6? Is that it? Is that it? 6?
I only bought some today from Lidl. I'll have 12 then.
These will blow supermarket.
I always see it and I think I'll go there and I always forget. These will blow supermarket eggs.
Oh yeah, these are fresh yesterday.
Bloody lovely, mate.
I mean, for £1, I can sell you goose eggs. They're
Whoa.
got goose eggs as well, but they're £1 a piece. They should be £1.50. But a goose egg, if you like egg and soldiers,
Goose egg.
yeah, goose egg you boil for 10 minutes to then dip your soldiers in and eat it.
Get a goose egg.
So
I'll have a goose egg,
you're
definitely.
going to want some. Or do you want 2 goose eggs? I'll do 8. £2. 2 goose eggs and those should be £4. How's that?
All right then, yeah, sweet. Nice one, mate.
I told you, absolute legend.
Yes. Oh, look at them. Yeah. Right. So that don't close. So. Oh, yeah, you grab that.
Some change.
All right, mate.
Don't
Thank
drop
you.
them.
I'll take them to the car. Look at them beasts. Jeez. When you're first in line, honey, I'm still free. Take a chance on me. Oh, incoming voice call off the missus. Oh, here she goes. Hello? Yeah, look, not too bad. Not too bad. It's getting some eggs.
They're nice and fresh.
Yeah.
And our eggs will last 3 weeks without a shadow of a doubt. But
Lovely,
you should
lovely.
be able to taste the difference compared to
I'm a chef,
supermarket.
mate. I'm gonna.
Oh, right.
I
Sorry.
can't wait, and I love eggs.
But like I say, the geese, we haven't got to, because of bird flu, the ducks are still, all our animals are having to be shut in.
got ya.
That's why they're not out.
Yeah.
We're going to get the ducks into a netted area on Monday. So we've got 80 ducks. So when they start laying, we'll have duck eggs,
Lovely.
turkey eggs, goose eggs,
Dinosaur
hens
eggs. All right, mate. I'll see you again, definitely.
The next day.
Now, here we go. We got the goose egg, we got the duck egg, we got a supermarket free range, we got the farm free range, another farm hen, small lamb, we got a quail's egg. We're gonna cook them up, baby. Little tiny quail's egg. Let's do it. We're gonna fry these eggs. There's the goose egg, nice and big. Shell feels really hard. It's quite firm. They're all washed up. They're all good to go. Yeah, boy. Like this video if you like eggs. Now, look at that. It's massive. Straight into the oil. Boom. Look at the size of that yolk, blood. Jesus, it's bigger than my brain. Now we're going to cook them. We're going to rate them in a scale of excellence. 1 out of 10. Yeah, boy. Now that's cooked. Nice soft yolk. See it there? Fried egg. Can't beat it. Nice clean sunflower oil. Pat that down. We're going to go on to the next one. The duck egg. Now this feels really smooth and the shell feels quite thin. You can also, it's almost translucent if you look at it. It's very odd. We're gonna cook this up too. Same way. Fry it up. Keep it nice and cool. Now the yolk's a lot more orange, but the white was more liquid. It didn't hold together so well. See? It cooked more plasticky. It was more, yeah, it had a more translucent, bouncy white to it, but we'll see. Now, supermarket eggs, standard free range Lidl. You're talking like £1.60 for 12. No long ting. Straight in. Now that's a happy hen. That is a happy hen. Look at that happy hen. Bloody lovely, mate. Fry up that. Boom, splasher, splasher. Now that egg's cooked. Pat dry onto the farm egg. Now this is just a hen's egg, free range, farm, no battery, nothing. This is off the Eggman legend. Now this is just a normal, it looks the same as a supermarket, but no printing. Straight in, yeah, yellow yolk. The white's cooking nicely as you'd expect from a normal egg. Didn't cook any different to the supermarket one. Well, it tastes different. That's the trick. Now, this is a smaller one from the farm. Not sure why it's smaller. Smaller hen. Don't know why it's white either. It's like an American egg. But we move. Crack that in. They're all happy hens, you know. That's a lot. It seems cuter. It seems nicer. But we'll see. We shall see. Now onto the quail egg. Little baby quail. I'm telling ya. Little tiny bird it is. Nice whole, pan roasted, beautiful, like a poisson. Now crack that with a little knife and then gently into the oil. Look, it's beautiful, so cute. Oh, this is pre-new kitchen, sick. Like this video if you like eggs, I keep saying it. Grab yourself a little teaspoon, splash over and you're done. Too small for the spatula. Look, come here you slippery bugger. Now they're all cooked. We got goose, duck, supermarket, farm, quail. Lovely stuff. Let's test these bad boys. First, goose. Now the white looks quite firm, quite nice. Cooked through nicely, not very translucent. Tasted beautiful. Now look at that yolk. And on the scale of excellence, it's a strong 8 out of 10. Super rich yolk, huge size, great for cakes, but intimidating and hard to portion. Onto the duck egg. Now, this white was very bouncy, very translucent, and it smelt a bit different to what I'm used to. But I tried it, it was okay. And the yolk was so decadent you could give it to the queen. On the scale of excellence, it was a mere 5 out of 10, blood. Rich yolk, but it had an odd flavour to me. White, not to my taste. Maybe good for cakes or pasta. I don't know, just not my bag, baby. Now, onto the supermarket, free range. White, as you'd expect, cooked beautifully. No intrusive flavour, just a nice flavour. Yolk, not as rich as the duck. Not as rich as Elon Musk. But we move, it was good. It was decent, man. You can't complain. Good for cakes, good for pasta, good for all-round loveliness. 8 out of 10 on the scale of excellence. Now, I'm happy with that. You can't complain. Whether they feed them dye to keep the yolk, I don't know. We'll see. Now, these are the super fresh laid yesterday farm eggs. White was stunning. I'm telling ya, it's the best egg white I've ever tasted. It was so creamy and just beautiful. The yolk, however, didn't have that deep orange colour, don't get me wrong, but it was silky, it was smooth, it was rich, it had flavour that wasn't intrusive, it was just beautiful on a whole nother level. Laid yesterday, on the scale of excellence, I'm giving it a 10, baby! Now, onto the quail's egg, little diddy thing. These would be amazing for a starter. The white was lovely, just beautiful, honestly. Little bite-sized little baby egg. And it was great. The yolk was rich like the duck egg. It was just beautiful. Beautiful little egg. On the scale of excellence, I'm going to give you a strong 8. Actually, no, I'm going to give you a strong 9 out of 10. Because you did bits, man, for a little guy. Smashed it. And there you have it. A video all about the different varieties of eggs we can make. Now look at the difference between them all. It's pretty sick. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. If not, thanks for your time. I'll see you on the other side. We have an excellent time. It's been extravagant and extraordinary, and I can't wait till we meet again. Thanks for watching Flavour Chasers. You don't know the steez. Follow on Insta, active on there. Watch your videos, subscribe. I love you lot. Bye.